There might be a situation when you're working in Excel and you come across a really big formula or write one yourself. The one that extends over multiple lines or has multiple formulas built into one formula. In that case, it is really difficult to read the entire formula. You might do it at the time of writing the formula, but if you visit the same formula after 5 days or let's say 10 days, you really need to concentrate on each and every reference made in the formula to understand what's really happening. An easy way to fix this is to use the shortcut Alt Enter to break your formula into multiple lines. Here, for example, I have a nested if formula inside which I have the index formula and the match formula. If I want to make this more readable, I'll break each and every component of it into multiple lines. I'll be going at the end of the first if formula and press Alt Enter, going to the end of that and again press Alt Enter. This breaks my formula into 3 different lines and I can easily understand where my first if formula is, where the second one is, and finally, if both of them do not match, what is the formula that I have entered in that scenario.